I don't think I slept. Like I fell asleep, but I feel like I didn't sleep. So it is 4:30 in the morning, and I just got up. I need to get ready because I leave at 5:30. I have an hour to get ready, and I need to leave to LA. And it was gonna be a 2-hour drive to LA with traffic. And then we're gonna leave to the airport at 7. And no, we're gonna leave to the airport at 8. And then we're gonna check in, sign papers for Corona or something, and then we're gonna check in for 2 hours, or I don't know. And then we leave at 11, and then we have a 5-hour flight to Miami. I'm so tired. I need to get ready, so I'll see you guys when I'm leaving, or I'll record when I'm done getting ready. Out to the LA. It's like almost 5:30. Bye. I'm gonna be gone for a week. Bye. Say hi, Jeremy. Hi. It's too early. Oh, mommy. Did you put the flash?
No, no sale. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Primera vez que te levantas a las 5 de la mañana para irte a pasear.
Really?
Te salen como moraditos los ojos también.
It's dark. Cold. How are you feeling? ¿Cómo se siente? You're happy?
Yes.
¿Cómo se siente? ¿Estás nerviosa? I'm happy. Mami.
I'm happy.
No. Ay, mami.
¿Y dónde se va a quedar?
Con él me voy a ir.
Oh.
Y tú sí te vas a subir al avión. ¿Cómo, abuela?
Very, very happy.
Mira, abuela, mami, la abuela dice, I happy.
Very, very happy.
Betty está allá. We are at my uncle's house. We're at my uncle's house in LA, where we used to live. We used to live here, but we moved. But we're here. Jeremy. Say hi.
¿Cuál? No, se nota ahí, va. Está chula esta sopa.
You ready?
Se cae poquito.
You ready?
Ah, pues la pido, pues.
Lo bonito es que no quiere el parqueo.
We're going. Kenya!
Siéntese, va.
We're going to the
Por favor,
airport.
amarra, se pone su...
Wait, my teeth.
Qué bueno que hay parqueo, ¿ah?
We're going to the
Hay
airport.
parqueo, miren.
Ahorita sí, porque ya ve que es la barredora.
First time getting on a plane.
Ya la casa de enfrente está haciendo otros cuartos.
Oh, sí.
Ya
Where are we?
We're with the planes are.
We're at the airport.
Yeah. We're going.
Hola. We're at the airport. Ay, goodness. Oh, look, there's a hat. Yeah, but it's closed. For us. At the airport. We're
We're gonna get on a plane. Okay,
Are you in the airplane?
yeah, we're going to get on the airplane. We're going to Maryland. Ooh, see?
Require compliance with flight information signs on flat card features under instructions, including the seatbelt and smoking signs. Also, the new Spirit Airlines mask policy. All Spirit Airlines flights are non-smoking, including use-to-be cigarettes or vaping devices, not permitted in cabin or lavatories. Federal law permits tampering with the safe line doors or laboratory smoke detectors, or flight